What's up, everyone? It's your boy. Y'all already know who this is. What's good with y'all? I'm sounding like a SoundCloud rapper when he's about to start rapping. My name is Jesse. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about the maintenance and repairs expenses on a 2001 Jaguar XJR. I recently purchased one for only $800. I know, deals on wheels. I be getting lucky sometimes. And I got a stack of receipts that the previous owner gave me. So if you're planning on purchasing a classic Jag from the year 1998 to 2004 with the V8 engines, or just curious to know how much it costs to maintain one of these Jags if you don't plan on doing the work, then this video is for you. Let's get started with this. For those that don't know, the Jaguar XJR is the high-performance version of the XJ8. Known for its slick classic design and beautiful engine, this car comes with a supercharger 4.0-liter V8 producing 370 Jag power. It's a real neck breaker, but owning a Jag like this isn't all about the glamour. There are some significant costs involved. It'd be expensive, especially if you're not mechanically inclined. Right here, brother. I got all the receipts from the previous owner that detailed all the maintenance and repairs done on this Jag, and we're gonna be going through them all together so you could get an idea of what you might end up going through owning one of these Jags. So let us begin right here. $2,500. Alright, so first receipt starts with the mileage at 95,000 miles. He got an oil change, oil filter, front and rear brake pads and rotors, brake fluid flush, four brand new Pirelli tires, wheel balance, installation, and Jaguar wheel alignment. Now we're at 102,000 miles, so only a few miles, like 7,000 more or less miles after. $4,000? How? Okay. Customer reports transmission is making a grinding sound. Check and advise. Differential locked up due to broken pinion gear and collapsed bearing. So at 102,000 miles, you might experience a damaged differential. Remove rear axle assembly. Replace differential with used unit. Drain and fill with fresh differential oil. That was $2,000. Then you got the oil change, wiper blades, an air filter, and they had to tow the vehicle to the shop and also had to replace the fuel pumps, 2 fuel pumps, fuel filter, fuel screen, and O-rings. So all that was $4,300. Now next receipt, we are at 119,000 miles. Wow, we're barely driving here. We already got another, we have to pay another what, total of $1,400. Customer states that there's leak under the car. Check and advise. Inspection reveal leaking differential pinion seal. Wow, they were in there recently. They must have not done something right if it's already leaking. Check engine light is on. They diagnosed it. No codes. Non-start. They just replaced the fuel pumps, didn't they? And now they're having a non-start issue. No faults at testing. Suspect bad relays. Replaced 4 relays for $160. Then got another oil change, wiper blades again, air filter, and a fuel filter. We just got that done. Total $1,400. 119. Wait, what's this? Oh, same receipt. Oh, they found out. So the no cranking issue and having several faulty messages such as engine fail, save, traction control failed, restricted performance. They ended up replacing the fuse box in the engine compartment for $450. So added $450 with $1,400, we're looking at $1,804 that time. We are at 155,000 miles. Cool. We got to enjoy the Jag for a little bit now. I mean, they did. And now they found a coolant leak at the expansion tank. Install new. So coolant reservoir tank was $564. So at 151,000 miles, tires again, and wheel alignment, 2 new tires and wheel alignment. And at 150,000 miles, okay, so before getting some tires, again, fuel filter replacement and new fuel pumps. Ain't no way. A total of 1,400. And this time, this from a different shop. He should have just went back to the previous job and get some warranty on that. And at 156,000 miles, so only drove about 6,000 miles. So now we have another check engine light, evap emission control system. There's a small leak, so they replaced the hose and they charged them $200 for that. We got one for $500 here. Brake pads and rotors again. Replacing the mass airflow sensor for $707. 175,000 miles. So drove a few more miles, and now we need a new power steering pump, fluid, and hose for $991. Let's see. Now we're at 177,000 miles. A throttle body replacement. They also did a transmission fluid and filter flush, thermostat housing, and coolant. A total of 2,700. It must have been that that throttle body. That is crazy. All right, now we're at 185,000 miles. We got bearings, stoplight switch, disc brakes, and brake pads again. We got wheel alignment again, and 4 new wheels again. Homie been peeling now. He was burning rubber every time he was in that Jag. Look, 2,400. We're almost there. I'm trying to go through them pretty fast. $3,000. Why? Oil change, oil treatment, low beam, headlight assembly. So might have got into an accident or somebody hit his headlights. Power steering fluid flush. Total of 3,000, bro. 3,280. Now we're at 210,000 miles. Hey, the Jag's been driving though. It's up there. People saying that they won't go up to 200,000 miles. Check this Jag out. It's up there. Just had to pay a little extra. Another $1,800. Coolant hose, coolant, EGR valve gasket, air filter, some more gaskets and O-rings. Oh, they also replaced the intake manifold gaskets. 1,800. They've been putting in work on this Jag. Okay, this one is not a repair that was done, but this is a quote for all the timing chain and tensioners that are known to go bad on those V8 engines. So if you want to take it somewhere to get it done, this right here, they're quoting $3,500. Previous owner did give me a kit for it. It came with the kit to do the job. Do I plan on doing it? Most likely I won't. I won't do that. Not on that high mileage Jag. I just plan on enjoying it. To get a spare key for your Jag and get it cut programmed, it's gonna cost you $380. All right, so give me a minute. Let me add all this up real quick. Bro, $25,000. That is crazy. And that's on top of the Jaguar cost. With this amount of money, you can get yourself a 2002 Honda Civic or Toyota Corolla. That's 21-year newer car. Most likely will still be able to drive you around, and you won't have a folder filled with receipts like this. And this is coming from someone that loves Jaguar. You know, driving an XJR can be a dream, but you gotta go with open eyes, and you gotta go into it with open eyes. Cause if you ain't smooth and good with the wrench like I am, then the cost is gonna be adding up. I keep that wrench on me, brother. That's right, homie. Keep that wrench on me. Yeah, so if you're still considering purchasing a Jaguar with the V8, just save up a bunch of money, put some money on the side, make sure to take care of all the common problems, and do a lot of preventive maintenance, and be prepared to work on your Jag. You're gonna have to do all the work. All right, if y'all found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button. My plans for this XJR that I currently own, let's see. I plan on just driving it. Since the previous owner invested so much money on that Jag, I just plan to be the one enjoying it. I'm finna be driving it around, and if I end up having any issues with it, depending on the problem, I might fix it and make a video about it, or just part it out. The plan was just to get body interior parts for my XJR 6 that's been treating me well and I've owned for a while now. So the Jag, it's at 236,000 miles. Let's see how much more we could get from it. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next one. Late.